So, first of all, I'd like to introduce myself. For those who don't know me yet, I'm Jem de la Cruz, and I'm a financial professional. I do this for a living. To those who are watching, Kiagos Amlan, official. Good morning to all of you who are here watching, and thank you for the likes. This is the first time I'm going. Yeah, this is the first time I'm doing the live um, for the business opportunity. I do live only for talk show and singing, entertainment, but this time it will be a business purpose. Yeah, I'm not a singer, so I don't think I'm gonna be a good singer. Um, Kiagos. How do you say it? Kiagos Emlam Mina official. So while waiting for my friend on the other line, there is a an echo. So I think I should disable this headset. 1 second, please. Okay. So I'm changing my system from the headset. I'm going to use. Okay. Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Can you hear me well? Kasi double siya nag-echo. Oh, system check. Can you hear me? Please thumbs up. I cannot hear myself. Okay, I'll go to my others. Ayan, Miss Lani. Welcome, Miss Lani. Good job. So now we're two. Can you hear me? Okay, perfect. Okay, so now we can start. I'd like to introduce to you my friend and business associate, Miss Lani, business partner, Miss Lani Panyawai.
Hello.
Okay, so say something, Miss Lani, about yourself.
Oh,
We are being viewed by 4 million people.
good evening, everyone. I'm happy to be part of this what of this talk this evening by our friend Gemstar. Or what is your name here?
Gemstar.
Okay. Thank you for the invitation.
You're welcome. So now we can start. First of all, I'd like to give you an introduction of what we do. The reason why I came up with this idea because my channel is edutainment. So that means Gemstar Media is an edutainment channel, which means that it's educational and entertainment. So if you see me sing, that's entertainment. If you see me talk about something else to educate yourself, that's education. So this is a two-way, the two purpose of my channel. So far, I have started this channel long time ago, but I there's no subject matter. I just do whatever. So, but that's how I started with my YouTube journey. Now that I am doing this more often, I'd like to focus more on the education part, and then once in a while entertainment if I get bored. So today this is my the first time I'm going to do this presentation, and this presentation is about what we do here in the US. Some people are in the Philippines. Mostly the people here are from the Philippines or other countries. My friends, I have friends all over, in UK and Saudi Arabia, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Taiwan, Japan, and so many other places. So if you have relatives in America, they can be part of this business. So I'm doing a business presentation. As you can see on the title, it says business opportunity presentation. So if you are interested, you can watch this show. If you're not interested, you can still watch the show because there is something educational in this presentation. But since this is the first, I'm going to introduce to you the company that we work for, and how we do it and how you can be part of it. So that's the goal. Thank you, Jen Vlogs. All the people here are all vloggers. So if we see, oh, I sent an invitation on Facebook for my Facebook friends too. So we are live on Facebook and YouTube. Okay, so let me start. Like what I said, we are independent business we are independent business people, and doing we are a financial professional. What we do is we help people, we educate people on how to have protection for themselves and their family. And it's more of a life insurance and investment. So we have product. I will talk about the product later on, but what we want, or our purpose for this presentation, is to share with you what we do and how you can be a part of it. Okay, so I'm gonna play a video as an introduction of what we do here. So after we finish the video, you will understand more or less what is the company, what's the purpose of this presentation. And on the background, this is a brochure. It says an entrepreneur's guide, and FEG is the company. It's Freedom Equity Group. This is the company we're connected, and this brochure, it says this is your moment. If you are looking for a part-time job or full-time job, career opportunity, this is it. So just keep on listening, and then we will entertain questions later on. Okay, so I'm gonna play the video. Uh, let me share with you. Let me share the screen. Okay, so I'm going to show you a video presentation of the CEO of the company. Share screen. Ayan, Miss Lani, you want to say something, introduction first too, so you can add something on what I said?
Um, sure. Hold on.
Okay, take it away.
Good evening, everyone. I believe Gemstar will be showing something on living benefits. Is that correct, Gemstar? Or
And it will be a business opportunity
okay,
presentation by Petro.
hold on, hold on, hold on.
Are you using your cell phone or your computer?
I'm using my cell phone because I'm also working at the same time. Can you give me a few minutes? Why don't you start, and then probably
Okay,
after the video we can discuss about it.
okay,
Thank you.
okay. I'll start the video. Listen.
Yeah, hi, my name's Ron Petrinovich, and I want to talk to you today about an opportunity. And I'm going to say this, it's a big opportunity for the right person. We're in the financial services industry. Our industry is evolving, it's changing. So, this is the new way of doing.
Miss Lani, I'll stop it first. Can you hear? Can you hear Mr. Petro?
Yes, I can.
Okay, okay. Perfect. Thanks. Okay, I'm going to restart it.
Yeah, hi, my name's Ron Petrinovich, and I want to talk to you today about an opportunity. And I'm going to say this, it's a big opportunity for the right person. We're in the financial services industry. Our industry is evolving, it's changing. So, this is the new way of doing business. But also on the product side, it's the new product revolution. So everything's changing. And we've got a great part-time or full-time, depending on your life, opportunity that you should take a look at. If we take a look at companies that have affected our society, McDonald's changed the food industry, Amazon's changing all retail, iPhone changed communication, Uber's changing transportation. FEG is in the process of changing the financial services industry by offering the new kind of insurance that you don't have to die to use, and by offering the new kind of retirement plan. And so we're going to talk a little bit about that a little bit later. Our company was founded in 2002. We've been featured on a television documentary. We've been on Fox Business News. We're already number one in production with some of the largest insurance companies in the world. Our business in the last 5 years is up over 1,000%. And we've also proud of our training platform, a chance to come into our industry and use our tools and know what to do to help your clients. If we take a look right now, what's going on in America, you might have heard about it, but we've got 22 trillion in debt. Our government spends $52,000 every second of money we don't have, and that could affect someday your Social Security check. Many American households are financially fragile and uncertain about their retirement, even though the job market's booming. 25% of Americans have zero retirement savings. Both Social Security and Medicare are in financial turmoil. In the last couple of weeks, been a lot of information on that. And 40% of Americans say they don't have enough cash on hand to cover an unexpected $400 expense. So I got a solution for all this stuff. 3 words, simple words. How about make more money? If you're not able to save 500 or 1,000 a month, you can if you make more money. So why do we need to make more money? Let's take a look at some stats. I'll just take home. In 1980, the average price of a home nationwide was 62,000. Today it's over 400,000. So the price of homes are up 546%, yet the average family income is only up 253%. So really what that means is most families are going backwards and don't really realize it because the cost of the things we need are going up faster than our incomes. So out in our society, I mean, we do live in America, the land of the free, and there's two different ways you can go. You can have a job, W-2, help your boss get rich, rent out your time, and if you do it long enough, you're renting out your life. And most of the time, it's going to lead to frustration. What we're looking for is people that would like to be in business for themselves, entrepreneurs, 1099 instead of W-2. You be the boss and help make your family rich. You take control of your life and your paycheck. So a chance to be an owner rather than a renter, and a chance, if you're aggressive, to have an unlimited opportunity to soar with the eagles. In our industry back in 1980, which is almost when I started, there was about 500,000 agents and population of 226 million. Today, we've got less than half the agents and 100 million more people, which means huge opportunity, less agents, more people. So what do we do? What do we do here? We do a lot of things, but to try to keep it simple, we protect your most important asset, which is your income. If you live a long time, you need income. If you get sick along the ride of life, something like bad like cancer, you need income. If you die too soon, you need income. So if you live, we're going to give you a chance for more spendable income. We're going to teach the power of indexing, how to take the risk away from retirement savings. We're going to show you a way to get a tax advantaged check, tax-free check at retirement instead of taxable. We're going to show you that if you get sick and can't go to work through living benefits, how to solve that problem. And if you die too soon, we have life insurance. If we take a look at risk, most people in America put their money, their retirement money, in the stock market. And here's about 18 years of the S&P. Put the money in 100,000, 1999 goes to 170, minus the fees, which is about 50 grand. And with our concept of indexing, we take away the risk. Market goes down, we stay even. And so because of that, at the end of this 18-year period, we got way more money. So imagine that. How'd you like to have 111% more money without being in the market and taking on that risk? Here's one of our clients, living benefits, no-cost riders on our insurance policies. This is a guy named Dr. John out of Massachusetts. He bought a policy. His goal was to put money in at the age of 62, by the way, so he could take money out at retirement income tax-free. About 30 days into the policy, he got cancer, throat cancer, and the insurance company sent him a check for $735,000. Didn't send it to his beneficiaries. See, because of living benefits, he was his own beneficiary. And he was able to take that money and heal himself without any financial stress at all. Because cancer attacks more than just your body. It can destroy your bank account. I mean, the average cost of cancer is about $20,000 a month. So when people get sick with this revolutionary new product we have with no cost living benefits, get sick, send money. So let's take an example. I'm going to take a look at a 35-year-old putting in $400 a month. Okay. That's $4,800 a year. Total to age 70 puts in $163,000. So what do you get for $400 a month? The day your policy is issued, if he passes away, $404,000. Problem solved today. If you get sick, depending on how sick you get, up to $372,000 in living benefits. At age 71, his income's $59,000 a year, income tax free. Do that to the age of 91, that's $1.118 million. Only put $163,000 in, and the death benefit's $115,000. So think about it. Puts $163,000 in. In this example, takes $1.181 million out. Then he passes away, and there's still $115,000. Most of the money going back to the family. Compare that to a traditional life insurance policy where you got to die to get the money. Let's take another client closer to retirement. He's got $500,000 in a 401k. We roll it over into a fixed indexed annuity, non-taxable event. Now the money is safe. In the 401k, the fees, depending on the plan, are anywhere from 1.25% to 3%. Sometimes we see them higher. And all of a sudden, the new fees are 0 to 1. That can save you up to, like in this case, up to $15,000 a year. Money was at risk. Now the money is at no risk with a guaranteed lifetime income option. So we're able to help people of all different kind of ages. And I guarantee you this is a change, a financial paradigm change. New stuff, old stuff. Replace the old with the new. I mean, you don't have the same cell phone you used to have. You probably don't have the same automobile or computer you used to have. Well, we need to upgrade our finances with new modern technology. FEG, Freedom Equity Group, we represent some of the largest life insurance companies in the world. American National, Fidelity and Guarantee, National Life Group. We believe that you don't just need a salesperson, you need an education. We try to tell our clients that these are great, great books that you can help educate yourself. So let's take a look at our marketplace. How many people need our help? I mean, if you're young, I got news for you. Social Security might not be there, or it might not be healthy when you retire, so you need to save money. If you're older, you need to make your money safe. So here's our marketplace. Who in America wants to retire with dignity? The answer is simple, everybody. So our marketplace is everybody. Who would like to have a life insurance policy with living benefits or no living benefits. Nobody can say, I don't want living benefits. Everybody wants living benefits. So we have a huge market, and we give you an opportunity to come into a business on a part-time basis and earn extra money. Now, some people come in and they make zero, and I got to guarantee you come in, you do zero, you make zero. But what if you came in and you made an extra $1,000 a month? Maybe you drive a better car. Maybe you can put that money away to retirement. What if you made an extra 2,000, 3,000 a month? It's important because it's important to know that not everybody succeeds, but we give everybody a chance to succeed. Right now, there's a ton of CPAs, doctors, nurses, professionals coming into the company, but there's a lot of people that don't even have a high school diploma that come in and succeed because they've got that drive, they've got that they want to get ahead. So here's an income example in our FEG income disclosure statement. On a part-time basis, become a district manager. That takes sometimes a month or two. And you go out and just you help 2 clients in a month. That's $2,800 a month part-time income. A couple months later, if you continue to work, you're a division manager. Those same 2 sales, $3,200 a month. Become a part-time regional manager. Those same 2 sales, $3,900 a month. So I want to ask you something. Is there anybody out there that doesn't like their job? Is there anybody out there that would like to make an extra 1,000, 500, 2,000, 3,000, 5,000 a month on a part-time basis? I think there's a bunch. And what I love about what we do is we can help our family by serving others, by doing a really good job for these people. That's one of my passions about what it is that we do. You might say to yourself, well, who the heck am I going to go sell? Well, we have a system that's been proven for 30 years. No talking to strangers, no cold calls. All we do is talk to friends of friends of friends. We wrote a book on it. So when you sign up, you get this book. You might say, Ron, I've heard of companies similar to this. What's so good about Freedom Equity Group? Well, here's what's so good about it. We've got a sustainable business model. So here's what that means. Contractual freedom. At FEG, you're not a captive agent. Number 2, we've got a crusade. So many of our competitors sell Index Universal Life. They've jacked up the price. From my viewpoint, they're stealing people's retirements, selling very expensive products. We don't do that. We sell the good stuff. Number 3, huge consumer advantage is dealing with trained versus untrained agents. We take an incredible amount of pride in our training program so that you can do the right job for consumers. And because of this, we've got great persistency in placement, which means it's profitable for the insurance companies, which means that we get the best products. And when you do the right thing for the consumer, you win. And my prediction is this is going to become the largest company in our industry, primarily because we put the consumer first, and we're not in it just for the money like some other companies that I see. So kind of winding down here, you've heard that freedom is worth fighting for. That's what our company's based on. Freedom's worth dying for. But I got to tell you this, freedom's also worth living for. We've all got one life. We've all got 24 hours a day. God gave us all the skills to succeed. The challenge is, will we use it? Are you willing to give yourself a chance on a part-time basis to go into business for yourself? Have all those tax advantages? I mean, what if you came in and you only made an extra $1,000 a month? Would that change your life? A chance to live a little bit freer? So I challenge all of you, are you willing to give yourself a chance? Now, I know that a lot of people aren't. Oh, I can't do that. I can't do that. Well, who says you can't do that? What if you told yourself, yes, I can do that. I can make a difference in my life. I can take control. So, hey, here's a chance to go into business. It's $125 to become an agent. Costs you $200-300 to get a license. I mean, eventually that's about a third or a quarter of one sale to be in business for yourself. So I just urge all of you, do your homework, meet with the people that invited you, look in the mirror and ask yourself, what do I want to do with my life? And give yourself a chance, because there's people from every walk of life that are doing extremely well in this company. Thanks for your time. Bye-bye.
Ayan. Thank you very much, Mr. Ron. And that was a very good presentation. I'd like to those people who are here, I'd like to thank you again for watching. I hope you learned something from the presentation of Mr. Petro. And to those who missed it, you can always replay this video and learn about it. So the next thing that we will do is I'd like to introduce you again, my business partner, Miss Lani Panyawai. She is a regional vice president in our company, Freedom Equity Group, and she can share with you what this business is all about. Miss Lani, are you there? Okay, she's not there yet. Oh, here she is. Miss Lani, we just finished the Ron presentation. So, can you say something about yourself, how you do this, how you came up, like, what's the reason why you are in this business?
Oh my gosh. Okay, hi everyone. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm doing triple things here. Okay. Good evening again.
And thank you, by the way, thank you for participating. I really appreciate it. It was
Of
random.
course, of course. The reason I joined this company, Freedom Equity Group, was because in 2014 I was diagnosed with breast cancer. Actually, nobody in the family had uh, cancer. And I was, of course, when I was diagnosed with breast cancer in February of 2014, I was actually very shocked. I am a single parent with three daughters. At that time, they were still young, and all of them were going to private schools. I was working, and I had no choice but to have a bilateral mastectomy. So after 12 weeks of being away from work, I was called in by human resources, and they told me, Leilani, you're losing your um, medical insurance. And I said, why? And they told me because I've used up 12 weeks of my family leave of absence. So I said, what am I supposed to do? I have three daughters. I have, I'm paying for mortgage. I'm a single parent. How can I afford it? At the time, I was actually getting disability, and they told me if I didn't pay for they were offering me Cobra. Actually, I don't know if everyone knows what Cobra is. It's another form of medical insurance, but it's like three, four times more expensive. And at the time, I didn't have any choice because if I didn't take Cobra, I would not be able to afford payments for my medical insurance because I was going through chemo already at that time. So I had to start paying for Cobra, which was in 2014 was $800 a month. That was very expensive for me. And the only reason I was able to afford it was because I took out two of my daughters, younger daughters, off of my medical insurance. I took away my vision insurance. I took away my dental insurance and just left my medical insurance in there. And I used my disability income to pay for it. So I was paying at least Cobra, $800 of Cobra for a few months until such time that I told them, I can't really afford this anymore. So I asked human resources if I could go back to work part time, full time from Monday through Thursday, and Friday would be my chemo. And they did allow me, although each time I would have chemo, I would get very, very sick. But it really didn't matter if I was sick or not because the following Monday I had to go back to work. So that took for a while, um, and it was really a very difficult journey for me because I was alone, although my family's around. I was alone here at home, I had my youngest daughter who was at the time in high school. I had someone in graduating in high school, and I had someone in college. And you see, if I had living benefits, I believe Petro, our CEO, had explained living benefits during his talk on the video. If I had living benefits at that time, I would have been able to afford it and would have been able to claim for, whatever insurance I had. I was actually insured with the company, but they never offered living benefits to me at the time. I didn't even know what living benefits was all about. So I guess at this point, the reason I joined 3 years ago, the reason I joined 3 years ago this company was because I want to share with everyone my story, and I don't want to happen to anybody else what happened to me. If I did have living benefits at that time, I could have claimed 90% of my life insurance and didn't have to worry about where the money would be coming from. So, I think everyone should know what living benefits are. This is the only work that I do right now. It pays for most of my bills. I work from home, and uh, 7 weeks old or 2 weeks? No, 2 weeks old baby should have a living benefits insurance. I think Gemstar would be explaining what more about living benefits. Gem,
Yes.
thank
Thank you,
you.
Ms. Lani. Thank you for your very inspiring sharing of your story. So,
Thank you.
yeah, I
You're
wrote it
welcome.
down. I wrote it down because you were saying about living benefits. A lot of people, they don't understand what living benefits is all about. So this is what makes us different. In our company, we offer life insurance where you don't have to die to use. So I just want to make an explanation about this because a lot of people, there is a misconception about life insurance. Some people don't even want to talk about life insurance, but you don't know that today it is very important that you should have life insurance, because when you die without life insurance, what you're gonna do, if you don't have money, the people that are left behind are the ones having problems when to where to bury you, what to do with with your body, and so on and so forth. But if you have a life insurance, it will be very easy. You just give your policy number to the funeral, the funeral services, and that's they will take care of you. If you don't have money, that's a big problem because nobody will help. Okay, so what is living benefits? So again, like I said, a lot of people, they don't want to talk about insurance, but today we will talk about insurance because we are providing the service that you don't have to die to use. That's the difference between other companies and our company. So we have life insurance. Actually, there are other companies too that offer this life insurance with living benefits. So that's what we specialize. We only have two products in the company, that is life insurance with living benefits, and we call it IUL, or Index Universal Life. So another product that we have is annuity. It's guaranteed income for life, where you are guaranteed of income as long as you live. Okay, so those are the two products, but I'm going to explain right now what is living benefits. The reason why we want to discuss this first, the products and the services, because after this, we gonna talk about opportunities, how you can be a part of it. Okay, so living benefits. It is a kind of life insurance. It is a life insurance where you don't have to die to use. For example, you insure yourself. You have a policy. Let's say it's worth 500,000 policy, meaning that if you die, your family gonna get 500,000. But with our product, you don't have to die to get that money. For example, you are diagnosed. Let's say you pay only 3 months for your life insurance, and that 3 months would be like 500. Let's say 5 or 300 a month, for example. Just an example. Or let's say if you're young, you will be paying like $100 or $100 a month. Example only. So $100 a month, as long as you are alive, or you can set a date that you only pay up to age 65, for example. So once you pay your 100 a month up to age 65, and you are right, let's say right now you are 30. So at 30 you buy a life insurance policy for 100 a month, and up to age 65 you will be covered for life. So if you live longer, you can still avail the benefits of your insurance. And living benefits is you don't have to die to use. For example, you're diagnosed with cancer. Okay, you paid only 3 months. After 3 months, you feel something bad, and then you went to the doctor, and the doctor did a lot of all these laboratories, examinations, and all that, and then you were diagnosed with cancer. So once you have that diagnosis, you can claim from your insurance. You can claim up to 90% or even 100% of your life insurance policy, meaning that you can get as much as $500,000 uh, if you claim, and if you are diagnosed with cancer and you claim that, you can get up to 500,000. Or to make it short, like we always say, 90%, up to 90%. But there are other cases. It depends on the severity of your illness. So you can claim, let's say 90% of 500,000 is 450. So you can claim 450,000 while you're alive, and you don't have to pay for that. That's your benefit. So even if you only pay 3 months, let's say $300 that's out of your pocket for the past 3 months, you can claim up to 450,000 if your policy is 500. So up to 90%. Let's say, for example, your policy is 100,000. So you can claim up to 90,000. 90% of 100,000 is 90,000, even if you only pay for 3 months or even 1 month, or um, as long as you are not diagnosed, you don't have a pre-existing. Okay, Johnny, shout out to you. Wow, I'm glad you're here. So anyway, that is what we have in our company. It's called Freedom Equity Group, and we have living benefits. This is one of our main product, and I sold a lot of this policy to my clients, and I'm happy that they were able to avail the benefits. So again, living benefits is something. It's a life insurance that you don't have to die to use. If you are diagnosed with critical illness, you can claim from your policy, from your insurance. And if you have chronic illness, you can claim for all those. So it is important that you have life insurance. I've been in this business for the past for 2 years. I started in 2021 during the pandemic. I didn't have our company closed for temporarily. The company that I used to work for. And then since we closed temporarily because of pandemic, I decided to go into to try the insurance industry, and I got a license in 2021. So I started doing the business, and I like it because I was able not only to get a policy for my clients, I also was able to educate people. I was able to um, recruit some people to join me and become part of this industry. So again, being in the financial industry is a very good opportunity for everybody. It doesn't matter where you go, what company you want to join. It's important that you know the importance of this, not only for the people, or not only for the work that you want to do, but also to educate yourself and to educate the people around you how important it is to have life insurance. um, there are so many types of life insurance. There are so many good companies that offers life insurance. And just I just want to make sure that, no, I just want to let you know that it's good to look at the benefits of the product that you are paying. By the way, I also want to share this with you. Yeah. So Johnny Bakay, Mr. Johnny Bakay. That's okay. Let me see. He needs a jacket. I'm not really good at doing jacketing, but I'll give you a jacket, Mr. Johnny Bakay. Ayan. Thank you for joining us. I appreciate you for being here. Okay. So yeah, Mr. Johnny Bakay, we can collaborate and talk about it here. Thank you for joining. So yeah, this is more of education because my channel is edutainment, education and entertainment. So I'm glad that I have this platform for me to deliver the message, especially my business. So I'm an independent contractor with FEG, and I can be an independent contractor with other companies too, but I want to focus on one. I like our product because it is very convenient. It's very useful for, especially for my clients. I can talk about it even if I close my eyes. So that's the most important. If you are doing something, whatever business you are in, whatever business you are in, you have to know what you are selling. Okay, so you have to know the product. That is very important because it's hard to sell something if you don't know about it. um, Product knowledge is very important. That's what I'm going to do with the people, with my business partners. I want them to know the business, especially that we are giving protection. We are sharing this benefits to our clients. It's very important that we have knowledge of the business, and education is really important because a lot of people, they have a misconception when you talk about insurance. A lot of people are like, they thought that it's about death. So right now I can tell you that our life insurance is not about death, it's about living. That's why we are giving living benefits for people to continue living. And going back to living benefits, if again, if you were diagnosed of terminal illness, you can claim your life insurance while you are alive, and you can use that money to go to the doctor and get some treatment. Some people, they get better. They get better because they have money to pay for medical expenses. The reason why some people die because they're stressed, they have no money to pay for expenses. I hear sounds. Miss Lani, is that your microphone? Okay, thank you. So yeah, so again, going back to what we are talking about, living benefits, i will um I will share with you one of our business partners. Also, she experienced this illness. I don't know it's where that sound is. Miss Lan, is that from your end?
Yeah, it's
There's a
Jim.
sound.
No,
I hear sound. Okay.
I I I'm hearing it too.
I don't know where it's coming from. But anyway, no, there's no more. Oh, I lost Miss Lani. Okay, anyway, you can come back anytime. So yeah, oh, I can mute her. Okay, thank you, Miss Con Con. Okay. Um, that's another thing with working from home. You have a lot of distractions, like my dogs is barking, so it's okay. Sorry about that. So again, going back to living benefits, I am going to explain again the living benefits that one of our associates or business partners experience. I will not mention names, but the benefit is really one of the things that inspired all of us to continue our crusade of educating people, sharing with other people what we have, not because we want to sell our product, we want to educate. It's hard to understand sometimes this kind of product because there are bad experiences to some people. Like for me, the reason why I joined insurance industry was because of me not having that education. Last 2021, I called my insurance company because I had an insurance and it was term insurance. It's okay, Glorian, you can go. Thank you. Um, I had term insurance and it's about to expire. So I was worried. I was worried in 2021. I said, what should I do? Because my insurance is going to expire soon and I'm not dying. I'm not dying. So you can only get coverage. You can only claim if you die with that kind of insurance that I had. So thank you, Miss Lani. You're back.
Yeah, I don't know. I lost you, and I don't know where the sound was coming from.
Okay, there's no sound anymore. We can go back to our normal presentation. Ayan, I lost you again, but you're here. Now you have no sound.
Oh, I'm here. I'm just looking
Okay.
for something. I'm listening, but I have to
Okay,
do this. Okay.
I'll unmute. I'm sorry, I'll mute you for now. Okay, let me know if I'll call you when you're ready again. Okay, so going back to my presentation, to my discussion, how I got into the industry, insurance industry. So in 2021, I called my insurance company because I know that my insurance is going to expire. So I called and then I said, "What? When is my insurance going to expire?" And she said, "It's expiring soon, and I am sending you a new quotation. If you want to continue, you can continue. If you want." She didn't say about quitting, about stopping it, but I said, I look at it and I said, "Oh my God, this is like I paid when I bought it, it was a 20-year policy. I bought it long time ago, 20 years ago, and now it's about to expire. And I was only paying $80 for me and my husband, $80 a month since the 20 years. For 20 years, I was paying $80 for both of us for a 250,000 policy. And a total of 500,000 for both of us, me and my husband. So that's only $40 for each of us. But it's going to expire. So what's going to happen? Everything that we paid from year 1 to year 20 will go to waste because we are alive. Thanks God we are alive. So that's term insurance. We don't sell term insurance. We don't want term insurance at all anymore because of my experience that everything we paid for 20 years go to waste if you don't die. But I'm glad we did it. We are still alive. So what we can do, we're still alive and we will not be covered. Okay, Johnny, you're connected. So that's a lesson for me. That's why I got interested in the insurance industry because I bought that insurance without any explanation. I just kept signing. I signed without even reading the documents, the contract. So I kept signing. I didn't even know that this insurance is going to end. And I know it's going to end, but again, um, I'm sorry. So, um, yeah, it's going to end and it's ending. So I said I don't want this to happen to anybody anymore, that they are not educated, they got buy the insurance, just sign and sign and didn't know what are the benefits and all of this. Because when I inquired in 2021, my insurance, if I am going to continue that 200,000, the 500,000 policy, I'm going to pay 5 times or 6 times the $40. Okay, so $80 times 5, that's going to be 400, right? 50, sorry, $80 times 5, that is 400. But that's only for a small amount if I'm going to renew, or even I think it's more than that. So I said, "Oh my God, I cannot afford the 500 a month right now because that's a lot of money for the insurance, and that's again term insurance." So that's the reason why I got into the insurance industry, because I want to be educated and I want other people to be educated too. That's what I'm doing now. That's my goal in my channel is education, not only about insurance but other things that I know that needs attention for every person to know. Yes, Concon, you have to be familiar with the policies. It's very important. There are two types of policies. Oh, there are three types of policies. I'm going to explain that in my next blog. It's very important to know. So while right now we talk about life insurance with living benefits, and I just talk about the term insurance that it's not advisable. I don't know if it's only the price. Term insurance is less expensive. So if you want to get coverage, you can also get term insurance in case something happened. You have another term insurance that's applicable. But if once it expires, once it expires, you are not covered anymore. So everything that you paid is a loss. So we don't want that to happen anymore. We are pushing for life insurance with living benefits, so that if something happened to you, you don't die, and then you're covered. So Miss Lani, you want to add something to that?
Yes, I just want to add, for the term insurance, it means it terminates. It can terminate within 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, or 30 years. So, for example, if I did get term insurance for myself at my age, I'm 70 years old, and because I had cancer, they will actually review my situation. And because of my age, I could be given a term insurance for 10 years only. But if I was a little bit younger, maybe I could get 15 or 20 years. And also with the term insurance, you don't have cash accumulation versus a life insurance. So that's the big difference with term and IUL, which is the Index Universal Life that Gemstar was talking earlier. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Miss Lani. Yeah, so that's a very good, it's a clarification. So if you are 70, you can only buy for 10 years, and you have to die before you're 80. So to avail it. So we don't want that. What if we live longer? Because right now the age of the people is it's extended. So there's the people right now, the baby boomers, there is like a 30-year life expectancy for them. It's adding 30 years in your life. So if you are, for example, if you are 50, um, you gotta live up to 70, for example. 70, for example, that's your life expectancy before, plus 30, you gotta live at least 100 years old. So the people right now, they live longer. So it's important that you have life insurance that will cover you up to 120 years. That's the standard.
Jem, can I also
Uh-huh.
add that for
Yes.
term insurance, term insurance with the like fidelity and guarantee, they also provide you. Don't forget to mention that they also provide you living benefits for critical, chronic, and
Mhm.
terminal illness.
So
So they also provide this with our term insurance, but
very
not
good.
all life insurance or companies have this. But
Mhm.
with FEG, we have it. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much. So thank you for that. So yeah, that's the reason why we are in FEG, because we believe in our product. We know that we have according to our to our owners, I can see it also. I believe it. We have the best product in terms of insurance, living benefits, and annuities. So I will discuss about annuities later on if we have time. But if not, it will be reserved for the next topic, for the next presentation or or live stream. So again, living benefits. We have one of our business partners had was diagnosed with cancer, breast cancer, and she is living a very good life now because she was able to claim and she used it to have some have her treatment, and she's better now. So if you claim your life insurance with living benefits, you don't have to pay for it, and you will be relieved from stress of having no money. No money is a lot of, you know, it contributes to your stress, and it's gonna be one of the reasons why you decline because you have nothing to use for your treatment. So it's very important. So again, if you are getting your life insurance, make sure that you have living benefits. Okay, so now we finish with living benefits. That's one of our products, and a little bit of guaranteed income for life. Another product. We only have two products in FEG. Guaranteed income for life is um, a policy that it's coming from your, for example, from your 401k. If you have 401k, it's a retirement benefit from the companies you work for. You can roll over your 401k if you are 59 and a half. So right now, the 401k in the US, sometimes it's increasing, but with the economy right now, mostly it's decreasing. So what's gonna happen? Everything that you have worked for, you keep losing money when the stock market is down. So it's affected. The 401k is affected by the stock market. If you don't do something about it, you might end up having no more money for your retirement. So that's why people are moving their 401k to annuities. So annuities, there are a lot, almost all these insurance companies also they offer annuities, but ours is different. Our annuity, we have this guaranteed income for life, meaning that you will have an income as long as you live. Even if you already uh, consumed all the money that you put in the premium, let's say you put in 500,000, you already spent all of it because you keep on getting the income every year or every month, and then you get sick along the way, you have chronic illness, it will double your income. So that's one benefit of our annuity, guaranteed income for life, and multiplier. So multiplier means that if you get sick, for example, you are receiving, let's say, 50,000 a year for your guaranteed income for life. So for life, if you live, let's say, 10 years, you already consumed the 500,000. If you live 20 years, you gonna earn 1 million total for the income that you get every year, 50,000 a year. Now, if you get sick on the third year of your policy, you have a chronic illness. Chronic illness is something um, that you cannot do. If you cannot do two ADLs, ADLs is activities of daily living. For example, the person is 70 years old and needs assistance with bathing and feeding and walking. At least two of that, and they're being taken care of by caregivers, at least two ADLs, you will be able to double your income for as long as you have the money. So it's gonna be like 50,000 will become 100,000 a year when you are having that chronic illness. And if, for example, you finish all the money that you have, let's say the 500,000, you already consume it, it's gonna go back to the 50,000 as long as you live. So that's for the multiplier. I can explain it more in detail someday in the future of my blog. But for now, I don't want to overwhelm you with all this information. But just to make a difference between the two products that we have, uh, life insurance that you don't have to die. And then we have guaranteed income for life that has a multiplier when you get sick, when you have two chronic illness. Okay, so those are the two products that we have. And then, Miss Lani, do you want to add something to that? Because I'm going to proceed to the business opportunity. No? Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what is the business opportunity. This is how many people we have? So we have 4 million people. I'm going to show this to you because if people missed it, they can always do a replay of this presentation. Okay, so I'm going to share with you another screen that is our company brochure. Okay, so company brochure, Freedom Equity Group. Miss Guapa May, thank you. Freedom Equity Group, the living benefits. Okay, so this is our company brochure. It's only yeah, one page, but it has all the information that's needed. Okay, I'm sharing it with you on screen. Uh, can you see it? I'm sure you can see it. Okay, so living benefits. I'm sorry, the entrepreneur's guide. FEG is this is our company Freedom Equity Group, and this is your moment. This is the first page of our brochure, and it says here. Uh, Let me go to that screen so that okay. So you see the entrepreneur's guide to um, FEG, and this is your moment for people who wants to have a part-time or full-time job. I think this is, if you like what I'm doing, you can do this, and I can show you how I can train people who wants to be in this business. We do things online. Like for me, I stay home, but I can write policies. I can do this presentation just like this, and it's very convenient. Okay, so I want to share this with everybody because I find this easy for me to do this business, and I want you guys also to have an idea of how this is done. So this presentation is just a 4 pages brochure that I want to share with you. Succeed by serving others. So this is what we do. We succeed by serving others. We help people, we educate them, we help them protect their families. Okay, so by educating them, they know what should be done um, in terms of the knowledge that we will be sharing. So when you do this business, you protect yourself and your family. At the same time, you make some income, and that is what is important. Succeed by serving others, and this is a feel good business because you are able to help other people. Can you imagine if you can help a family save their lives, and because they have living benefits? And yeah, it says here, live life on your own terms, meaning that since you are an independent agent, you can do other things too that you have passion to do. You can do this business on the side, part time, and you can do this full time also. It depends on you, and also you can make some income. And I'm going to explain that income later on before we end. So FEG. To give you an idea, FEG or Freedom Equity Group is one of the fastest growing financial services marketing companies in America, serving all 50 states. So even if you are working from home, you can have clients all over the state. It's unlimited. The opportunities are endless. You can do this. What is needed for you to become an agent for our company, for insurance agent? There's only 4 things that, okay, I'll make it 5. Again, I keep repeating this again and again. You don't need a master's degree. You don't need a college graduate. You don't need to be an engineer for you to become an agent for insurance to join our company. So you only need 4 things or 5 things. Number one, you know how to speak. I'm sure all of you who are here, you know how to speak. So you are already one. You have one qualifications that you can be a part of it. You can do this. Number two, you should know how to read. Okay, so I'm sure all of you knows how to read. Number three, you should know how to listen. So you have ears. and you know how to listen to other people's um, uh, concerns. So you know how to speak, read, and you know how to write and listen. So that's four. So there's only four major things that is important for you to do this business, correct? And you all have that, okay? And what is the number five? The number five is important also because you did this. The number five is common sense. Okay, common sense. If the person you're talking to is not interested hearing this subject matter, you don't have to keep telling that people about this. You stop. So that's you don't need something. You just need common sense. Get the feel of the other person, and if that person is um, doing something, you should not be pushy and insert what you want to do. Just uh, let it go and find another time. This is a subject matter that is important, and you cannot just take it for granted. You have to be mindful of other people. Okay. And again, going back here to the explanation of FEG, fastest growing financial services, represent the products and services of some of the largest insurance companies in the world. Okay, so we are connected to different companies, not, insurance companies, not only in one company. So we offer other services too. Okay, so now let's discuss about why are we in this topic. The reason why, because we have a lot of problems. The world, not only in America, the world has a lot of problem. There's health problems. So a lot of people have concerns with their health. Like in this presentation, there's 1.7 million of cancer cases in 2018. That was 2018. I'm sure right now it has increased. Okay, and then I'm sorry. So that's 2018. Where am I? Where's my screen? Okay. So 2018 there's 1.7 people diagnosed with cancer. On the average over 600,000 will die. Most will live. Okay, so out of 1.7 over 600,000 will die and most will live. So what's going to happen to those who will live? They need medications. They cannot work. Okay, so that's one problem with the health. If 600 people will die out, 1/7, all the rest will leave. And what's going to happen to them if they have health problems? Okay, I'll give you the solution later on. Um, every 40 seconds, an American has a heart attack. So this is only in America. How about in other countries? So just imagine the health problem that we have every 40 seconds in America have an American has a heart attack. So if they have a heart attack, it's either they die or they live. And if they live, they're gonna be sick and need some more money to uh, for the medical treatment. Okay, so that's two problems. And the third, every 40 seconds in America, American has a stroke. Okay, I'll repeat it. Every 40 seconds, an American has stroke. Okay, so just imagine how many people will have stroke. And what's going to happen if they have this? They're going to die or they're going to live. If they die, well and good. They will go to heaven. And who's going to worry about things? It's their children or their family that's left with a big chunk of payables for the hospitalization and all that. Okay, that's number three problem. Number four, 92% of older adults have at least one chronic disease. 77% have at least two. Can you imagine that? Let's say, for example, out of 1 million, 9,000 out of 1,920,000 people, older adults at least have at least one chronic disease. What is a chronic disease? Disease. It's something that's already there. They will suffer from it for as long as they live. For example, they have diabetes or what other illness, heart problems, and so on. So just just imagine if 92% of people have chronic disease. What does it mean? It means health problems. That means health expenses. So you see, I just realized that if you are in the healthcare business, it's a good business because there's a lot of clients. Maybe I should go back to healthcare business also at the same time. And out of 92%, 77% of that 92% have at least two chronic illness. So that's even harder because you have two chronic illness. That means you cannot even work properly. You have illness, you have pain, and all that illnesses. It's affecting your life. Okay, so that's only one of the problems that we are facing here in the world. Health problem. That's one, and that's the main problem. That's why we need living benefits. Okay, so that's the answer to it. You need living benefits because if you don't die and you're gonna live, you need that money for you to sustain, to be sustainable and continue to live. Okay, so where can you get the living benefits? It's from your insurance. If you have life insurance with living benefits, you can claim your benefits because that is included in our product. You have chronic illness or terminal illness or critical illness, you can claim, and that has no cost to you. It's included in your premium. Okay, and then the number two problem that we have is money problem. If you don't have money problem, well and good, but most of the people have money problems, right? Okay, let's see who are here. That's right. Guapa May. Okay, we have a very good discussion here. So again, going back to this problem, the second problem that we have in America is money problem. A lot of people have a lot of money, but there's more people with less money. Okay, so let's see what's the statistics looks like. It says here that 74% of millennials do not think Social Security will be available for them. That is true. If you are in America, Miss Guapami, 74% of millennials do not think Social Security will be available because America has a lot of debt. So, what's going to happen if there's no more money in America? The retirees will have no pension, they will have no Social Security. So, that's a big problem. Okay, I will tell you the solution later on. Okay, next is 1.8 million. 1.8 million in savings is what millennials will need to maintain their current lifestyle in retirement. This is true not only in America but all over the world because the millennials, I think we have some millennials here. Uh, you need, oh, by the way, millennials, they are the people, the most savvy people. They don't want to work for one company. They want a lifestyle that's freedom with the freedom, and they want to spend money. So these are the millennial. Mostly, that's a typical millennial. I have my children are millennials, and they have a different personality. They're not like me when I was young, like their age. They're different. They like to go, they like to travel, backpack, traveling, and so on. And they spend money. That's why they want to make more money. So 1.8 million is in savings is what millennials will need to maintain their current lifestyle in retirement. Okay, so you have, if you're a millennial, you have to make sure you invest your money in, you have to have living benefits. You have to have a life insurance with living benefits because with our life insurance, you accumulate money. It's compounding interest every every day, every month, every year. So compounding interest, it's an accounting term, but Google it if you don't know what it is. Uh, if you have life insurance with living benefits with our company, your money is not wasted because it's gonna earn interest. It's gonna earn income, and you can have access to your money anytime if you need it. You can loan from your life insurance money, and you can pay. You can you don't sometimes you if you don't want to pay you don't have to pay also, but that will be deducted from your life insurance in case of death. Okay, so again, millennials needs 1.8 million to live their lives, the lifestyle, and 546% is the percentage of new home prices have gone up since 1980s. So before, if for example you buy a house and the house was only 50,000, you cannot find a house right now for 50,000. Maybe you can, no, nothing. You cannot find a house for 50,000. So it has gone up. The price of the houses increased, the homes increased 546%. Okay, so that's the real statistics. And the next money problem is one in four 65 years old will live past 90 and can run out of retirement in income. So this is very scary. One out of four. So four people, one of them will live longer past age 90 and they will run out of income. So this is the money problem that we have a solution. Okay, these are the important things in our brochure that tells the people why we need to have why we need to have money. Because number one, it's the health problem. No one can escape from health problem unless you are living healthy. And yeah, if you live a long time, okay, I will discuss it in the next page. On the next page is the solution. So with these two main problem, this is an opportunity for you to be in this business. If you know how to talk, to read, to listen, and to write, you can be in this business and you can make money. I will show you how. Okay. So again, I just want to emphasize that the source of this statistic is from the National Cancer Institute. It's from the Heart Disease and Stroke Statistics at a Glance, blah, 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 blah. Prevention. So, information about this statistics, it was from a research and the statement understanding for details. Okay, so it is in our brochure. The third page of our brochure is the solution. So, let me see. Correct, feel pity of the new. Yeah, I know, Miss Guapame. But this is the reason why I wanted to discuss this, to show this, because I want to educate some people who are not aware, so they will be aware. And there is a solution. Okay, now, after presentation of the problem, the two main problems that we have, health problem and money problem, there is a solution. All of these problems can be solved by one of the two products that we offer in this company, and you can be part of this if you want to. An IUL, it means Index Universal Life. This is our product, or annuity. Annuity is the second product with living benefits. So both of these products are products that are available that we are promoting. IUL is Index Universal Life, where you don't have to die. It is a kind of insurance where you don't have to die to use. Or annuity is a guaranteed income for life designed for your retirement. As long as you live, you're going to have an income. That's why it's guaranteed income for life. And it has living benefits. If you get sick, it will give you money for your treatment, and you can claim from your insurance. You don't have to die to use. Okay, the health solution. So we have a health problem, now we have a health solution. Health solution, living benefits is the health solution for the health problems, right? You are covered. If you live a long time, you will have income for life as long as you live. If you get sick along the way, you will have living benefits. You will be given your, you can claim for from your insurance, whatever is the amount of your policy, you can claim up to 90% or even 100% of your life insurance if you opt for that. So you can claim your life insurance while you're alive. You don't have to die to use your life insurance. So if you claim all your life insurance while you are alive, it means that you have no more money for your beneficiary. But it's okay. They're gonna live. They have their own way of having their financial health solutions, their own money. They are adults already, so they can live on their own. Or they can buy this product also, living benefits. Our clients can have, we can insure clients from 0 age or 2 weeks years old, 2 weeks year old baby. They can have, they can be $1 million baby by the age 50 if they have a life insurance. If they buy a product from us when they're 2 weeks old, by the age of 50, they're gonna be a millionaire and they can use it for education, for whatever they need it for. They can have a very good retirement. Okay, so you are covered with this product. You are covered if you have a, if you have living benefits. If you live a long time, you have money. If you get sick along the way, you have living benefits. If you die too soon, your family is protected because they're gonna get that lump sum of money, and it's tax free. Okay, tax free. Living benefits are no cost riders. So if you have, living benefits are no cost riders on life insurance policies that cover critical, chronic, or terminal illness, and you don't have to die to receive them. Okay, so this is a very good statement, and this is what we do here. This is what I do. That's why I like doing this business, because I help people, not in terms of giving them money, but I help them with education. I help them do this business. If they want to be part of it, I can help. I educate, I can help, I can train for free. Okay? You can receive an accelerated lump sum benefit from your insurance. So that's the solution for health problem. Now the money solution. The money solution, if we have money problem, we have money solutions. So IUL, Index Universal Life, is our product, and annuities is our product. There are only two products, so it's not complicated. We only have to learn two products, IUL and annuities. Tax advantage income at retirement. So this is tax advantage. Annuities is a tax advantage income at retirement. The same thing with IUL, because with IUL, we can program it that you can have income for, let's say you want to receive an income from your life insurance from age 65 to age 80. We can do that also with your IUL. And the power of indexing. This is a little bit high words. Some people, they don't understand, but we have this power of indexing if you have annuities and IUL. Indexing, I will discuss this in the next chapter of our blog. No market tax, no market risk, tax deferred growth. Okay, so taxes are deferred, so you don't have to pay for the taxes. You can pay taxes for the interest of your money, deferred, meaning in the future. The magic of compound interest. So this is the magic of compound interest, wherein your money gains interest, at the same time the interest gains interest. So if the interest is earning interest, I don't know if you understand what I'm talking about, but I have learned this in college about compounding interest. So everything that goes to your account value, it's gonna earn interest. So the interest earns interest. So that's the shortcut of it. If you don't understand that, I will explain it further in the future. So magic of compound interest. So the the compounded interest is also in earning another interest. That's why it grows. Your money here grows bigger and higher. And the rule of 72. So the rule of 72, this is a long story. I'm going to explain that also in the next topic. But a simple representation is right here. Market risk versus indexing. So in market risk, like for example, as the stock market, I'm sure a lot of you knows about stock market. The stock market right now is going up and down. It's because the economy that affects the economy is affecting the stock market, and the problems of the world is affecting stock market. Like for example, the war between Ukraine and yeah, the war over there, and right now the war in um, where is that, in Jerusalem. It's affecting the stock market, and when the stock market is affected, everything, expenses goes up, income goes down because of the effect in the stock market. So if the stock market or if there's something that happens around the world, it affects the gasoline prices, all the commodities. It's affecting those. So that's a market risk also because of the stock market. While indexing is more of, if you are um, getting your annuity is based on the index. It's not affected by the stock market. So if, for example, the stock market is down and you invest your money in the stock market, let's say 100,000, and the market is down by 10%, so you're also down by 10%, whatever is your balance in your stock market. And while the indexing, it goes down, but it never goes below zero. So if your money is 100,000 invested on IUL, or sorry, invested on annuities, your 100,000 will remain as 100,000 because you're not affected by the stock market. So it's still, we don't go below zero. Let's say your money is 110,000 and the 10,000 is interest. So if it's affected by the stock market, your money, whatever is the current amount, will still be the same because you don't go below 0%. While the stock market, it goes to -10, -30, -40, whatever. Okay, so this is another discussion that can be in detail, but just looking at the graph, this is what's gonna happen with your money. Let's say you have 100,000, and you invested your money in stock market. That's the red one, is the stock market, and then the S&P is the allocation. This is the option for you that you invest money is S&P. It's in red. So the increase, um, it goes down and it goes up, it goes down. While indexing, it's, you see in the graph, the blue one, it goes up only, it doesn't go down because we don't go below zero. So if you invested your money in annuity in our company, let's say you buy an annuity from me and you invest your money there, it's gonna grow like this. The 100,000 after how many years? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I did not use my logical mind. So this is 2018 from 1999. So how many years? Let's say 20 years. So your money in 20 years grow from 100,000 to 360, 462. While if you invested your 100,000 on stock market, it's only 170. So it's almost double. That's why the 401ks of people in the US, they roll it over to annuity so that their money will increase and they can have income for life. Okay, so this is another discussion, another topic that's longer. But again, there is a disclosure here that says there is no guarantee of benefits unless you qualify. Okay, you have to qualify. Qualification for benefits paid on critical or chronic illness must be determined by insurance company. You could receive up to the full amount of the death benefit as an accelerated benefit if you qualify. So to qualify, you have to have diagnosis, okay, from the doctor. Benefits vary by insurance company and circumstance. Severity. Be sure to check with your agent as to the specific riders and benefits availability in your state because every state they have different rules and regulations for insurance, so we have to check it. That's why when we make a policy, let's say for example I have a client, I'm registered, I am licensed to do insurance in 6 states. In California, I have license in Oregon, Illinois, Nevada, Texas, and Virginia. So I have six now. I can sell to all these to all these states if I have clients in those areas. And if Guapame will join me in my business, I can also get a license in Georgia. Okay. And by the way, with this business, your client is worldwide. You're not limited to only one state. You can work anywhere, and you can have a client from anywhere, any state. Okay, so we replace the old with the new. We replace the outdated with the updated. So that's what we do here. If you have term insurance, we can replace it with life insurance that it doesn't end. You are covered for life. Now the opportunity. Okay, I have discussed with you the products the company that we are connected, me and Miss Lani. Thank you for being here. Um, oh, she's not here anymore, but I'm sure she's listening. Now is the opportunity. If you have friends in the US, you can invite them to look at this because I'm going to discuss now the opportunity, 7 o'clock. Okay, it's just a few minutes, but this is a very good opportunity for a lot of people who wants to work part time and make money. Now is the attack in a while. Who's going to attack? I cannot jacket while I'm talking. I'm not sure. Yeah, thank you for the attack, Miss Concon. Correct if I feel okay. So shout out muna sa mga nandito, Miss Concon, Lai Ramos, thank you for your support. Miss Guapa May, I wish we can talk some more about this because this is an opportunity. Marie Capanas. Hi Maria. Marie, I'm going to add you ngayon pa lang. You are now an administrator. Yeah, admin. Johnny, you still here? Please raise your hand. Johnny Bakay. Miss Guapa Miss Servo. Shout out to you. Who else are here? Guaps Channel. Gemstar Media. Ako yun. Glory Jen Pratos. Jen Sam. And to all the people watching, Kaigos, thank you. Ate Dinks vlog. Dumikit na ako sa iyo. So thanks to all of you. Now I will be talking about Grace is taking over. Huh? Okay. I'm going to talk about opportunities. Okay. So if you join me in this business, you have the opportunity to be a part of the industry. The insurance industry, which is financial industry, is one of the biggest industry that can give you that makes millionaires. So if you Google what industry is, what industry can give me can produce millionaires. Okay, let's see. I'm going to Google it so that you will see it right here. Okay, I'm gonna share with you my screen. I'm gonna end this for now. I'll go back there later on, but I want to share with you my screen that I am Googling. Ayan. So can you see my screen now? Share. Bakit walang share? Oh, select the tab and then share. So right now I'm sharing with you Google. I will ask Google what's the industry that makes a lot of millionaires. Okay, 1 second. Hey Google, tell me what industry can make millionaires.
On the website artlifeinsurance.com, they say the financial industry, for instance, has created the most millionaires, according to Wealth Report. The tech industry, insurance, and healthcare are ways to grow wealth and achieve more through careers or entrepreneurship.
Did you hear that? Okay, so you hear that from my Google Play that I have here, my assistant, my Google Assistant. Let's see from the website what they say. I'm going to type um, what industry makes millionaires, more millionaires. Okay, what industry makes most millionaires? Okay, search. Okay, did you see this? Seven industries most likely to make you a millionaire today. Let's click it. Where is the answer? Okay, did you see that? If you don't see it, tell me. So I just Google passenger seat. Okay. Thank you, Wisconsin. So I Googled, I'm going to present to you right now my topic. My last topic is about business opportunity and how you can be a part of it. But I am showing you, I Googled, if you have Google right now, you can type what industry gives you the most, what industry gives the most millionaires. Yun ba yung tinype ko? Okay, and the answer is here right in front of you. It says number one is financial services. So, meaning if you are in the financial services industry, most likely you can become a millionaire. I'm not there yet. I don't know when I'm going to be. I'm not really focused on this business, but I have other things. I do a lot of other things too. But looking at this, I think this is it. That's why I want to start my blog and educating people about this industry. And I want to educate people, not just to educate them, but I want to open people's eyes. What are you going to do? If you want a home based business, this industry is one of the things that you can do. All you need to have is a computer and a phone. That's all. And I will share with you later on after this. So again, the biggest industry that makes most millionaires is financial services. No doubt about it. Okay, I'll show you how. Okay, so I'm going back to my screen. I'm going to stop this screen and going back to my brochure. Okay, so earlier we talked about the annuities, the two products that we have in summary. So in summary, a solution to health problems, a health solution to the world's problem is living benefits, meaning that you have you are covered if you live a long time, if you get sick along the way, if you die too soon, you have money. Okay, this is the product that we are offering. We are selling IUL, Index Universal Life Insurance, that you don't have to die to use. And then the other product that we have is annuities. This is money solution that you have this opportunity to increase your money for for your retirement. If you put in $10,000, it's gonna grow double in 20 years. If you put in $100,000, it's gonna be 200,000 in 10 years. Sorry, in 10 years, you can double your money without doing anything. Okay, so that's the annuity that we offer. Now this is your moment. I'm going to show you how to do it. If you are interested in doing the business, this is what you can do. This is your moment. It's time to build your future. If you are in America, the opportunities are endless. If you are in other countries, you can join the financial industry too, or you can invest, or you can save your money to. I don't know if there's annuities in the Philippines. Um, I'm not sure, but I know there's life insurance. But the life insurance over there is for you to die, and then your uh, if you die, your family gets the benefit. Okay. Um, Sorry, going back. So in the U.S., I'm inviting everybody who are in the U.S. You can be part of this business. And you can be in the Philippines too while doing the business because all you need is internet. You can do this from home wherever you are. That's the reason why I am in this business, because I want to be mobile. I want to be everywhere at the same time I can do the business. And this is a passive income, because once you sell the insurance to somebody, you're gonna make money every year for renewals. They're going to renew this. What is this? Oh, thank you very much. The Guaps just told me that people are attacking me. Thank you, Langga, mga Langga from Jamsi J, and Solid Team Jessica. Thank you for coming. I hope you can stay. You stay for a little bit. Um, Stay for like 5 minutes, and I'm going to talk about how you can make money here. Okay, thank you for coming. Please don't forget to thumbs up before you leave. Please click the like button before you leave. Okay? I hope before you leave that like is already 100. Thank you to the 1 million people that's already here. Ay, hindi. Ilan ba? Saan ba ako? Thank you to the 17 million. Okay, there's 17 million who are here right now. Thank you very much for being here. And G Vlogger, I cannot mention all the names. Matbet, George Adventure, Matbet, Melanie, Marley, Marianne, Official. I just want to acknowledge you first before going back. Forever Young, Forever Young. Walang harang. There should be harang. Okay, to all of you who came, thank you very much. It's very fast. I cannot jacket everybody, but please come back. Later on, you can have your jacket. Okay, free jacket for you. Those who are here, I'm giving away free jacket, and you are standard jacket. Okay, so now I'm in the topic. I'm on the topic about making money. Okay, so here you will see on the. Can you see my screen? Oh no, it's not. Okay, I have to show you again my screen. That is very exciting. The FEG business. So I want to share this with all of you. You see this? We replace the old type of insurance. Everybody who has term insurance can be replaced with our term insurance with living benefits. We have term insurance with living benefits, and we have life insurance with living benefits, meaning that you don't have to die to use your insurance. If you have 500,000 policy, you can access that policy, that amount of money when you are, if you are qualified, if you have a terminal illness and so on, other health conditions. Okay, so now how do you make money? How to be a part of this? So if you want to do this business, this is what you're gonna get. If you do this part-time, okay, part-time means you only do this once in a while. So you help two families per month. So how is it to help two families per month? Meaning you have to help the family get educated and have availed the life insurance that we offer, or the annuities that we offer. If you have two families you're helping per month, that means one client or two clients in a month. You talk to two people in a month, and they get, and were able to convert them and avail the living benefits, life insurance with living benefits. You sold it to them. Two people only for the month, you're gonna make an income of 2,880 per month. Continue to do this every month. Help two families per month, and you will have this income. Part time. And part-time as a district manager. So, for example, you're a district manager, and then you continue to make to have clients. I'm going to promote you to part-time division manager. So, if you're a part-time division manager, okay, part-time division manager, and helping the same two families per month, your income would be 3,240 per month, more or less. Okay, so that's helping two families per month. Okay, so if you are promoted as a regional manager helping two families per month, your monthly income would be 3,960, helping the same number of people, but you you were promoted as regional manager. So that's what it is. That's what it's up to you. The limit, the income is unlimited. If you help two families, this is what it looks like. If you help four families, it's gonna double. If you help more people, it's gonna double your income. So it's up to you how much income you want. Okay, disclosure. FEG or Freedom Equity Group makes no guarantee to the amount of money because it's up to you. Okay? It's not a guarantee. It depends. If any, that you can earn as an FEG agent. The earnings shown above are hypothetical examples, meaning it can be up, it can increase, it can be lowered. It's hypothetical based on based on 300 per month target premium. This is based on if a client is paying 300 a month, or if the family, one family, let's say there are three in the family, each one of them bought a policy for 100 a month, so that's 300. So if you have a 300 per month target premium at the age at the management level, so this is the projection of the hypothetical example. These are projections and are not necessarily representative of income, if any, that an agent can or will earn. These figures should not be considered as guarantees or projections as your actual earnings. Earnings depend on number of factors, including the area in which you live and the individual effort. Success as an FEG agent results only from successful sales efforts, which requires hard work, diligence, and leadership. So you have to work hard. And I know that all of us work hard. So it depends on what kind of work you're doing. Working hard and making income. Maximize your income. If you work hard, you make more money and you earn more income. Okay, so that's this is a projection only. It can be more. Some people makes a lot of money. I know our leader, he is making 1 million a year. So right now he already made 1 million income for the year. Some people they make 100,000, 200,000 a year. It depends. The more you work, the more you make money. I don't work a lot, so I don't make a lot. So because of I YouTube a lot. So my YouTube now will be education. So it money will come later on. You don't have to chase money. It will come. If it's for you, it's for you. Okay, so what do we have? We have a proven trading system. We have a proven training system that I can train my people, my business partners. If you join me, you will become a business partner, and I can provide the training. It's free, and we have a proven system that works. You earn additional income. You build your own agency. You can build your own agency. Now, if you have an agency, you manage it for, let's say, a year or two or three, you can sell your agency. You can sell your business because you are a business owner. Once you join me, you are a business owner of your own business. So you have no boss. You can do what you want. You can sleep until what time you want to sleep. You can sleep, eat, and play and work. Be your own boss. You take control, a chance to earn awards and recognition. Be an entrepreneur. So you will become an entrepreneur, and I can teach you how. And if you like to travel, we have conventions every year. Every once a year, we have national convention. Three times, four times a year, we have quarterly conventions in different states. We have trips for free. You don't have to pay. The last time that our leaders went to was in Barcelona, and it's in Rich Carlton for 10 days. Free. I think 7 days. I'm not sure. Everything is free. All expenses paid. Destination training meetings. So we go to destination trainings, nice places, summits. So these are all the things that you can avail. So for example, you go to Hawaii, um, San Diego, Cabo. These are the places that the agents, all of us, have the opportunity to go for free. Okay, airfare and Walk of Fame in Las Vegas. I always go to our event in Las Vegas. So we have this every middle of the year. And Hawaii, San Diego, Conques, Barcelona, all these places will be enjoyed if you are a part of this company. You have the opportunity and it's endless. Okay? So, one thing that I haven't mentioned is about, I'm going to stop the share. Okay, where am I? So that's the opportunity that we have. And you can be, if you are in America, you can be a part of it. Okay? So one thing that I haven't mentioned was about the ESP program. We have the ESP program. It's called Equity Share Program, wherein you can be part owner of the company, Freedom Equity Group, and you can get shares of stocks if you are qualified. So that will be another topic that will be discussed. For now, I am me too, no business because why till that now it's time for me. Exactly, Miss Guapame, I want to go to your place. I want to go to Georgia and share with you what we have if you're interested. This is a very good business. It's the same thing. You'll be in front of the computer, not all the time because unlike Whitey, you have to be there all the time. But imagine how much time do you spend on YT every day? Let's say three hours is the minimum. And how much do you earn after spending 3 hours in front of YT? Just compare it. Here, if you have a client, you spend 1 hour or the most is 2 hours. And how much do you get with one sitting alone? Okay? So that's the opportunity for you, Miss Gopame. I'm telling you, you are perfect. You are one of those people that I really am looking forward to be a part of this business because you have all the qualities that is needed for this business. 10 cents. Okay, 3 hours 10 cents here. If you spend like for example, example lang hindi pa to nangyari. Um hindi pa to na-close pala yung deal. If I have a client who is going to buy an annuity for 200,000, okay? 200,000 annuity for my client who is going to retire. If I spend 1 hour or 2 hours to this client, I'm gonna make for 200,000 that I close. The sale that I close 200,000 is, where's my calculator? So if I spend 2 hours for this client, educating and telling him, okay, this is what we have. Yeah, no stress. This one also is no stress. You see, there is no stress. You just talk. You just know how to talk and read and write. No stress for sure. I'm not stressed with this business. This is the only business that I'm not stressed. I've been into a lot of business and it was all very stressful for me. That's why I just want to settle. Okay. Yeah, that's okay, Con. Thank you very much. So if I sell an annuity of 200,000 and then I close the deal, my income for 2 hours would be 9,520. Okay. So you see, it's in my on my phone. Hindi mo yata makita. Basta, if I close the deal for a client that buys an annuity for 200, that's what I'm gonna get. Now, if I have a client for life insurance for IUL, and that client is buying a policy for $200 a month, let's say my client buys an annuity, I'm sorry, an index universal life where you don't have to die to use, and then um, I spend 1 hour for that client, I'm gonna make 1,680 for 1 hour. Yes, Miss Guapame, let's do it. So this is just an example. I'm not earning this right now at this moment while we're talking, but I have clients in the past that bought the policy. I bought in my first year. I sold not a lot, but I'm okay. So it's no stress. If I want to work, I work. If I don't want to, I don't want to. Okay, so that ends my presentation. If you have any questions, please type your question, or if you want, I can give you the stairs. Yes. Um, I have some websites also. Oh, I want to show you also the last one. I have, so if you join in this business, you're going to have your own website. So if you join, let's see. I have a website, Gemstar, that freedomequitygroup.com. So I have a website. Once you join the business, you will have right away after you click the join, and in a few minutes, you will right away have your website. Like for me, this is my website. If you want to show to people what you offer, and if you want to share with them the business, you can send them your website. So this is my website. This is if you have somebody, if you want to join, you click join, and this is my information. And you can here on the website, you will see our convention, the past conventions. The last is 2023. And then here it shows information about career as an agent. You can click that. Living benefits, you can learn more about living benefits and the 401k fallout. So if a person is 59 and a half, they can roll over their 401k to annuities tax free, and they can increase their money and they can have income for life. And then here it explains what is an IUL, the product that we're selling. What is annuity? So everything, all the informations are here. And then we are on Frontline and Fox Business News. You can check it out. So if you join the company, you will have your own website. And also here is your back office. Okay. In your back office, all the training materials are here. You can train yourself. I can assist my people, my business partners. What is he? These are the owners of the company, and they have see, look at this, look at how much the people are earning in this company. This they already old, they've been in the business for quite some time. So you see the first one, Infinity Production, he made 446,000 for the week, for a week. Okay, so this is the income per week. And the people here, mostly we have Filipino, a lot of Filipino here. 100,000 K earner. And September bonuses, bonus lang is 44,000. This is Andre is 31,000, Noni 17,000 bonus for the week. Neil Alcomendres is Filipino. He's a nurse, and he's no longer a nurse. He focused on life insurance on this company. So his income weekly bonus for the month of September is 17,000. Just the bonus. But here you see number 3, Neil Alcomendres is number 3, 54. I don't know what's the 54, but he is a cardiac telemetry nurse. He is already in the 1.8 million a year income. Okay. Danny Mark Danlitan, he is also Filipino, former pharmaceutical sales. He is making 400K a year. And yeah, all this, a lot of Filipinos here. You see, Ray Almoren is a Filipino. 55 income niya for the week is 55,000. So Sam Misa is our leader, and he in the on the record for the month of September he made 222,157. See? This is I sorry, this is my back office. Yeah, but that's just an example. Okay? So we have, this is your back office, this is your vault. You have your back office, so your back office is also online, so you can see the production and everything. All is here. Okay, I cannot show this to everybody. It has some confidential information. Okay, so that's what we have. I'll check on it later. Yeah, Miss Guapa, me check on it later. There's no pressure. Uh, I need to take a shot. Okay, that's fine. So that ends our topic for today. And then I'm going to continue with the education. My next topic would be, I will announce it. It's more for me, it's more of education and also business opportunity, because I want to invite the people who have the potential to make money and who needs this product. It's very important to have living benefits, to have a life insurance with living benefits, because we don't want our children to go fund me, to ask for money from GoFundMe to fund the funeral. You know, it's I don't feel good about it. We have to have we don't have to ask money from other people if we can, if we have our own way of getting getting the money. Let's do it ourselves. Okay, we will not bother other people. And this is the solution. I'm offering a solution to everybody. Okay, so if you don't have any question, that's really sad. Yeah, Miss Guapame, I'm really sad about it, because I've experienced it multiple times. I cannot, my friends, I have a friend, I know somebody that his dad passed away, and she went to GoFundMe to have some money to send the dad back home in the Philippines. So if the dad has life insurance, it would not be a problem, because life insurance will pay for it. We have, for seniors, we have a policy that's 20,000, 10,000, 20,000 policy para palibing. They can start doing that. Or 50,000 is the maximum for final expense. And that's it. If you have that, you only pay for a year, and something happened to the person, you get all that money in the policy. No problem at all. We don't have to ask GoFundMe or donation or wherever. Okay, so that is really, this is a very useful information, especially for Filipinos. I really want those people who are capable of doing this. I want to invite them to be a part of this industry, because it's no pressure. You can do this anytime. You have no boss. Yourself is your own boss. Your income is unlimited. You can tell yourself, okay, I don't want to do anything this month. I want to sleep all day. So you don't have to work. Medical GoFundMe. Yeah, I know it's very expensive. So, okay, so this is what it is all about. And I'm glad that I was able to finish this presentation. I don't know what time did I start. Oh, it's 2 hours already. So 2 hours of talking, Miss Guapame. If I get one client today, or out of this presentation, out of this chat online, YouTube, if I get one client and make 1,000 commission, I'll be happy. Okay, so that's what it is. You talk and you influence, you share the product to the people, share the education to the people. At least if they don't buy the product, they get educated. Okay, that's a consolation. Okay, thank you all for being here. Miss Guapame, I appreciate your time. Lai Ramos, thank you very much for your support. Con Blog, who else? One more chance. One more chance. Thank you very much, Langga Jamsi, for sending your people. Ate Dinks, so marami akong mga guests na pumunta. I really appreciate your time. And Tamsak, yes. Danilo Vlog TV, Anna Shana Channel, Anna Channel. Liamer, Langga Liamer, thank you very much. Back to back. Danilo, Forever Young. Thank you for coming, Matbet. Balik po kami lang ka Jamstar. Yeah, kung gusto nyong ma-educate din, just do the replay lang. Okay? Lang ka Marchi, thank you very much. Ate Dinks, again. G Vlogger, thank you for coming. Forever Young, Matbet. Danilo, The Cars. Shout out to all of you. Who else? I don't want to forget anybody. Marianne Official, thank you very much for coming. Langga Jam CJ, Danilo, babaeng Palawenya. Babaeng Palawenya, thank you for coming. George Adventures, Vivski, thanks. Nagtamsak ako sa iyo kanina. At kung sino pa tatamsakan ko, I'll do that after this. And by the way, don't forget, we have a first showing ng aming caroling, Christmas caroling tonight, 9 o'clock. Please join us. 9 o'clock California time. Please join our Christmas caroling. We are doing a fundraiser for our senior citizens back in the Philippines. So whatever we generate, whatever fund we generate, it will go to senior citizens in the Philippines, as we will be giving them gifts, and income from our Christmas caroling on YouTube will be donated and will be given to the senior citizens in the Philippines. Sacrifice vlog, thank you. Who else? Jen Sam, Jen Robles, and Glory Jen, my three sisters supporting my blogs. Thank you for coming. Concon Vlog, Lai Ramos, Miss Guapa May, who stayed up to the end. Maraming salamat. Okay. Who else ba nandito? Guabs Channel. Munti ko na makalimutan. Guabs Channel, shout out. Shout out so loud. Narinig mo ba? Johnny Bakay, thank you for joining us. Lovingly yours, passenger. Ezekiel Manzano. Shout out. Singing is life. Singing is life. Who else? Wala na. Wala na ba? And lahat ng mga nanonood doon sa aking Facebook page, thank you for joining. Marie Capanas, thank you for joining me. Who else? Okay. Marie, Glory Jen, Guap's channel. Okay, I think I have mentioned everybody. Akigos Lamano, one of the first who joined me. Thank you very much. So, yung mga first, Guap's channel, Jen Robles, first five, Ati Deans, and first five, Akia Guslamino, official 8656. Thank you. Thanks to all of you. Thank you. Bye. See you. See you in our Christmas caroling at 9 o'clock. Please join us. That's entertainment. This one is education. Okay. Bye. Thanks. Thank you all. Ah, wala akong insomnia kasi hindi naman ako kumanta. Thank you all. Okay. So, I'm ending. Wala akong ipa-music sa aking ending kasi I don't need to have music. Thank you for the time that you spend with me. I hope to see you again in my next blog about the insurance business and other things that I want to share with you on education portion. Okay? Please subscribe and share and click the notification bell so that you get notified for all my important and educational and entertaining live stream. Bye. Thank you.